Hello and welcome to Caribbean TNA. Tonight I have another unboxing. This time, tonight with something a little bit different. It's not a sub, it's not an amp or mids, it's tweeter. Now, you have your mids, you have your Bs, but to complete the entire system, you need the high frequency. So I'm glad to introduce the Nemesis Audio Hectic Series 1-inch high performance tweeter model NE1TW. Let's get down to the unboxing. Foam packaging. Here are the tweeters. Two tweeters. No condenser resistor. No passive crossovers. No passive crossover. Just the tweeter itself. Now these are 50 watts RMS 1-inch dome tweeters. Take a look at it. Nice machined aluminum 1-inch tweeters, machined ring for mounting, Nemesis Audio Hectic Series NE1TW 50 watt high frequency tweeters. Now this will be going in my white car, so stay tuned for a little demo. You can find them at Caltech Customs, corner Success Street, Chaguanas. Thanks for watching.